Hoping everybody, you know what it is, and therefore Mr. O. Reaction. Nekoro back again with another reaction. So yeah, man. Come on, man. It's a reaction. Rootkid is back with a banger. It's a one take video. Moto wangu freestyle cover. So nando ipi wet like nga machironi nga machoni mugivela. But then I had to go to school and funze. Then when I came back, I was doing some timetable and I went on it about those one machironi. Then I take a kubana music. So yeah, man. So but yeah, man. Ulenga Jambusa Shika. So we're here. Moto wangu remix. So I know the track in and out. Those are like Misahani. Itombisani and then Isani Panda. So let's get to it when I'm gonna but it's not as when you go for as a casual, I'm saying go for Muslim lecture. That's why you can kind of catch some lines and as for but for now, let's get to it when I'm gonna I hope I'm doing I think I because you're the Muliro. But we charge up. Let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. Rootkid Venda, Nicodemic, Moto Wango freestyle cover. Vitamin. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Now we're talking, eh? Guys, do we have a deeper? Beating when don't matter music, so beating when the younger. So when you get married to something, Kobana, you are married in commit of property. Chano changa, changa. So no mana muzika. So kambazo he beating me in the beating when I'm when the younger. So I beat him to I'm gonna when the younger. But no mana young peas in it. As katamini, I bikul and then I got a minute that way nyaga. Madam the first one thing the amutuango. Let's get to it, man. This is gonna be nice. Let's go. Vitamin. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, that kokombeteza zaura pandizanga. No maramzika so biti mwana wendi yanga. Nibeza yikizela ai fara ai bikuru sapeza ai chinja jabanga mbera yanga. Yeah, tido wesande na mura tuwanga. Beneni achitiva rono buyanga banga. Hende kamuzika rito baranga panga. Bangare butamini ngoriro danga muranga. Okay, so you guys have heard Metro same general Rootkid Venda, right? You know about the song. I'm sure you know about the song. No need to right? It's a good one. But now if but then because so number one, let me start from scratch. I've never seen Metro same G freestyling, right? Like tutu mwana auto or video. Ako freestyler, maybe Holly can not hang, but I've never seen him like just playing some song and I run off the dome. Kongwana, only freestyling, maybe I'm not freestyling and studio, but I'm talking about off the dome. But this one, it feels like it was off the dome. The way they're rapping because they even have a freestyle together, freestyle and there's only Nicodemic is one of the best freestylers Venda. So I'm not surprised if this one is from the dome. Kongwana yoto vaba to but yeah, let's get it, man. Yeah, did the western in the mura tuwanga. Beneni achitiva rono buyanga banga. Hende kamuzika rito baranga panga. Bangare butamini ngoriro danga muranga. Dereninga sentibe zichitaka zi freestyle. Flow ndi baba iko depa sa cool time. The Nicodemic na jigoshi this time. Atotangana the kings of freestyle. Fully could deep as a cool time. Nicodemic this time. Which means because all the Nicodemic na Chidoshi, it's a cool, Nichipinga chamini cha cool. Do you get what he's saying? Fuleko deepas, I mean, it's a cool time. Guav, right? If you want to guav, it's a cool time, right? Nichidoshi na Nicodemic this time. So come on, this time, this is a cool time. This time is cool because Nichidoshi na Nicodemic. Okay, now you got it. Hi. We need to go back.
Making a jiggle this time. I don't tangana, the kings are freestyle. Una sine banga banda fanga chikopo. Hende nina road kid bari ritopo. Bari ne kwetane ba fitu bali popo. Bazuti bazore reko chova anga ritopo. Hende make it the number za da. Chova chihane experience or nishika da. Hes dochi zawu ya sarichi reko da. Ngore dili dasi easy di chiko konda. Dachi funa vese yano kavimba. Nubande chi chere sande beza jimba. Bari mufareni asa tugonyi.
This is what you see, like 2 lines, 3 lines. These guys were freestyling, real freestyling. As Koban and Mario, they were challenging each other. Like, let's have a conversation now, and then she does more with what I've been doing. Like, yo.
Chifuna vese yano kavimba Nubande chiche chere sande beza jimba Bari mufareni asa tugonya staging The freestyle lango mwari wa paging
And also Vimba and also like Mizofilm Mutuango, you know, so I think those things are corresponding.
Chifuna vese yano kavimba Nubande chiche chere sande beza jimba Bari mufareni asa tugonya staging The freestyle lango mwari wa paging Hede make the nenge nunani buzi ti Musira chikora paroto duba buzi ti Rajukona so irane
Ero tati mudzimunga sikona ti usi mudzimunga sikona Domupa zo tati ro tati Totelinga sitona ti no tati ni mmewa dikota ti asa tu todo ipata tu jangringi na marupo opata tu norata tu achivanga jarata tu Heyo bavenda bo mushosho na bo shaka tu. Yeah, I remember. Like, you know, that ndiko by that verse because I think bako tomo jela flow ya hone zino hapa. They are taking that flow. You know.
Asa tugonya staging The freestyle lango mwari wa paging Hede make the nenge nunani buzi ti Musira chikora paroto duba buzi ti Rajukona so irane bari kuzi ti Nisutu zonofisa ungandiyone ti
Zvitu zvinofisa unga ndiyone ti imini
Kidanenge nunani buzi ti Musira chikora paroto duba buzi ti Rajukona so irane bari kuzi ti Nisutu zonofisa ungandiyone ti Rirote ti Nesibar nasi flope ti Nofa flow wiko suba sama tope ti Yedzi heta sini zili chedzi onde ti Liko kone sanibari cheba kope ti
Kokone sanibari cheba kope Obvious, ukopa mtu nokona Ukupwa za mtu nokona
Nesibar nasi flope ti Nofa flow wiko suba sama tope ti Yedzi heta sini zili chedzi onde ti Liko kone sanibari cheba kope ti
Vitamin. Hey.
Atina guno mararane nene tswere Dena mera beat na bunonga mbide
Atina guno mararane ni tswere Ngachifunda chifuna guno ndi mtu anotswa So nati itsu mararane ni tswere Tizona ndafakanyela ni yaso ya tswere na mina zde body yeah, it's a slick line man. And have you noticed that this is doing freestyles, but it's changing them in a way that wapanga that true hip hop. Like even if it's like a piano, it's that katito chinche yabana play piano, then it goes back there. So I feel like those switch ups it's his new style as a freestyle na mina zote so big one.
Atina guno mararane nene tswere Dena mera beat na bunonga ndibere Too much bass ningafunga ndijere Nibudise kuto nda ufani na jere Chidu chini muduru de meke ndi ankele Kade na chibake
Uko upindra dhani yori na neti munga na wanu Ati munga ndi Crothman so ndi mkoma na wanu Well, man, chidu chini muduru na ndi ankele Okay, ndi marunga
Beat na bunonga ndibere Too much
So
bass
I think chidu cha Mtu mwana akoteo that ukoteo amba this is just an idea. Mtu mwana akoteo da ambe zwine aba zwine kachidoshi. So metro ni Crothman Nicodemic ndi uncle. Then udem mwali ndi baba. Udem mwali ndi mini and then we can have a song whenever an EP of the female. The female ukoto fi cho fichla uncle hapa cho fichla you know Crothman cho fichla silly idea ne Let's go.
atina guno mararane nenetswere ndinamera beat navononga ndibere too much bus ndingafunga ndijere nivudzise kuto ndaufani na jere chiduchi ndi mudhuru
Too much bass. Ningafunga ndijere. Too much bass. Okay.
demike ndi angele kadena chibake flow ndi mgere wafetu bakukala bakufesa ngavere kadena kuleti muzika ndi muwalere
Vafetu vakokala vakopfesa ngavere. Chikaro. Oh yeah, vakokala chikaro vakopfesa ngavere mahape. Okay.
mwarira mingapene uchivodhara mutumbu ndifafamisa bitungari ndi mutumbu
Chimwela mingapene uchidhara mutumbu like amen usumbezo tutumwala ti mutumbu ndile chichanga kachinofala inki. Okay.
ndimgere wafetu bakukala bakufesa ngavere kadena kuleti muzika ndi muwalere chimwarira mingapene uchivodhara mutumbu ndifafamisa bitungari ndi mutumbu ukunesa biya obviwanga chitumbu ndokila biti yotuwasa chitumbu wamrepa vanohita ndi madumbu vakoredelenga mbuya wa madumbu vaniviko vamamisa nga zitungu zika ndoudhadza unatumbu
Zitumbu, madumbu, tungu.
chitumbu wamrepa vanohita ndi madumbu vakoredelenga mbuya wa madumbu
And then madumbu kam chitumbu, madumbu. Come on. Madumbu kam dramba finish there. Ooh, they're dumb.
ukunesa biya obviwanga chitumbu ndokila biti yotuwasa chitumbu wamrepa vanohita
Nesabia kubona nga chitumbu. And then kila beat yotwa nga chitumbu like chitumbu cha mtu ofana chitumbu cha mtu ovakutumbu msabu double in time.
ndi madumbu vakoredelenga mbuya wa madumbu vaniviko vamamisa
And chitumbu means one thing and then madumbu remember yo
sanga zitungu zika ndoudhadza unatumbu I still set the bar so high
and then also yotomanga chitumbu ya root kid yopelanga chitumbu cha roof right yani could make yopelanga tumbu yodobe apa yopa life. I know they didn't know this. There's only issue about but it was a coincidence. But yeah, root kid vend verse ne yopela chikwambanga chitumbu cha ufa ya Nicodemic yopela kwambanga tumbu ya ubegwamu yo
madumbu vakoredelenga mbuya wa madumbu vaniviko vamamisa nga zitungu zika ndoudhadza unatumbu I still set the bar so high it's a vera ceiling it the way I kill his rappers ninga muto sina feeling it they say potholes that's what they're feeling me ndibonye the freestyle kings man are you kidding me I see clouds coming out of my chimney look in my eyes and tell what you see in me petrol flows in a one of the engine is in a one of the machine
the second bro the second round was really first round you must say first round over freestyle second round inge tongwaliwa that's how good it is. The second round was bro
abakoni vatokombetshedza
woo ratoma ngwazo with bona mkala 94 bro manga Mr. Reaction and out. This was a beautiful song.